Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create sticky headers in Elementor. So firstly, before doing all of that, you will be needing two plugins. So for doing that, just simply go to plugins over here and now search for the plugins. So the first plugin will be Element Kit. So just simply search that and make sure to write Element Kit, and there will be no space between element and kit. So after searching this, just simply click the plugin over here and just simply install and activate it. Now the second plugin will be Sticky Header. So again, just simply search Sticky Header and just simply enter. Then you have to simply install this plugin over here, Sticky Header Effect for Elementor. Just simply click it and install and activate. So give it a few seconds for it to install and activate. Then simply go back to plugins over here. Now what you have to do is just simply hover over Element Kit over here and choose header footer. Now over here, just simply click on add new, then write header. I will just simply add extra number because I already have a header over here. Then just simply click on activate over here, then save changes. Then as you can see, we just created a header. Now what you have to do is just simply click on edit over here, then again click on edit content. Now it will take you to the Element web builder page. Just simply click on this icon over here, then just simply go to selection over here, then click on the category and choose header. But there are few pro versions which you have to pay for buying, but there are also free versions which you can use. So for using the headers, just simply click on insert over here, and as you can see, the header has been inserted. Over here you can change the logo, the menu items, or even the icons for the social media. What you have to do is just simply hover over the header and click at the 8 dot icon over here, then go to advanced over here. Now just simply click the drop box which says sticky header effect and just make it enable, and that will enable your sticky header in your website. That's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.